Start.
Good afternoon, myself Vamsi. I am here to support natural. Natural food contains minerals and vitamins. It is good for unhealthy people.
Junk food is known as fast food. They are usually cheaper than other food product. Other food products.
With the cheap foods you get the costly diseases.
See, instead of the race which has started till now and then. This race started from 1960 itself. In each and every race, the junk food wins the race.
You know that in 1979, Twinkie Defense killed the San Francisco mayor because he objects natural food and tell the people to eat only junk food. So the Twinkie Defenses killed the mayor.
Yeah, you said it is right. But take a road. Take a road. For this scenario, from out of 100 people, only one are eating on natural food. Out of them, only 99 are preferred to eat junk food because it's cheaper and best than that.
The only one is living 100 years, but 99 people are paying it at 60 years.
They are saves and fast time.
But
Fast and saves time.
fast. It is fast, but it is harmful to the man. At present days, 17 years people are going to hospital and taking operations for stomach ache. Why? In olden days there is no stomach ache pains and nothing.
But generally we are suffering the birthday parties and some events. In the events we like to.
But we should not eat that daily.
But the prices are going on day by day. How we can prefer only the junk food? And why we are
Natural
not?
foods also available at cheap rates.
That's why I'm saying why we are preferring only natural food. Why we can perform?
Due to these junk foods, we get some diseases.
Yes, I know. But it's too cheaper. I think so.
So I accept it, but according to the many surveys done by World Health Organization, it has been proven that many of this is the main causes. Junk foods are the main causes for the international problem. That's obesity.
But as per the cinemas, they are giving the example.
So
We are
you-
using only for popcorns. It's not. It is like junk food only now. Why we are using only popcorn?
You know, it's
But,
just
but some tomato is a healthy food, but it is cause the kidney problems and
see actually
It
our
also will make causing disease for us. It also yeah. There's something.
we are also set to limit for.
so our health is in our hands. So
So
we
you're saying that junk foods are half red, half for our heart. That's that thing you're saying that junk food is half to our heart.
you know
We cannot-
it's just harmful to every organ. See, junk foods are the main reasons for the improper working of the brain. So we cannot work anyway.
So I'll give you one example.
It just disturbs.
So wait, I will give one example of that. Can you know the food contains good amount of antioxidants and they can be tagged to be a good for health. Here are some of the example of fast food which can release antioxidants and which can help our heart to work properly. Some of them are popcorn. Popcorn is earned better and it is low on calories and high on antioxidants. These antioxidants helps our heart to be
As
better.
food like apple can give 2500 calories. As junk food, any junk food can give.
If we eat chicken daily, it will not cause any diseases.
Yes,
Then no.
it can give strong viewers. How can you say that?
But it can prepare at home.
An American survey told that in many about 65% of the adults have obesity due to the junk food.
Due to
How can
the
you?
junk-
Yes.
How can you say that junk food is the main cause to obesity?
It contains less calories and more fats.
If junk food not contains more fat like fresh salads, fruit salads.
How can you say that fruit salads contain more fats? It can give more calories.
But junk food stops working of brain. There are so many examples for junk food. The conjugate acid is included in it. There are so many.
Natural foods like green vegetables and eggs can give us more calories, which are useful to improve our size and healthy body.
And also it is the human life of human life.
As far as you said that apple, if a beggar wanted 20 rupees, what he will do for fulfilling his stomach? He will
Not
eat.
only we can buy apple, now we can buy leafy vegetables also.
Yeah, but we have to prepare the food again, na? is a home and anything else, nothing there.
But banana is cheaper. Why won't you prefer banana?
Why do you
Banana contains potassium also.
Yeah.
It's
For
enough for
eating
one
something, we
day.
have to do something now.
It's
And
enough
we
for
are
one day.
not only fruits, there are some also vegetables also. What we are doing till nowadays, we are taking vegetables and we are making to taste our birds, which is more tasty, and we are simply cooking the proteins into the air. What do you say? That food.
Apple is cheaper than the KFC chicken.
Apple is cheaper than KFC chicken, but how much it cost? Nowadays, each
How
apple
much it
costs
costs?
20
KFC chicken is more.
20 rupees. I'm not taking about KFC chicken.
KFC is not
There are
20 rupees.
noodles also, noodles and pani puri, which should make you feel better for one day. More calories than that.
Which contains more calories, yeah.
These calories causes diseases.
But what we suppose we take an example of a beggar.
Can you
He will
Back
once-
not eat those junk food.
Take example of beggar.
So you said that pani puri about what is made up of wheat. So it is a natural food. How can you say that pani puri?
Yes, it's actually a negative term, but I can suggest that junk food is a negative word. It can be so-called fast food. It can be very useful to us. We can change according to the
Yes,
situation.
natural food also has more useful for us.
Yes,
But
but
it has carbohydrates, proteins.
you can eat fast food all the day? Can you?
so we can.
See, we can say that by eating fast food we can get diseases, but natural food, anybody can say that we can get diseases? No. Can't do that.
In America, pizzas and burgers are there, but they are used to eat at fests and celebrations only, not all the day. They use it to eat soups and bread. They use it to shapes and
Not all the
vegetables.
countries.
Carrot
Like
like
that, what you said that?
Some of the people are eating. But
Wait,
in America also they are like natural food.
For example, take a
Also.
salad. You will take salad, but without taking any salt and that's of pepper also is that simply
Why can't we say
you can't.
fruits also
Because we
even
make
table salad.
food delicious dish of birds. That makes it unnatural. That's simply called fast food. Fast food is nothing but the food we have taste, helping our foods to taste our birds.
Nowadays, junk food is prepared with animal fat and it is converted into oil, and it is not fit for our body. Example, my friend got obesity.
Okay. Junk food prepare animal fat. In home, what you will do? How to cook food, vegetables and all.
So just you are relying on the junk foods for your purpose of existence.
No, I'm not saying the purpose of
So
it.
that's what you're telling. The junk food is the main, is the main important to complete your daily food needs.
Daily food. For example, so take an example of modern breakfast. What will you eat? You will eat rice or you will eat that one corns, chocolates and so on. Today,
Rice
we have
natural,
one
so
each
it
average
can be-
price. Who said that chocolates is natural?
We have a particular vendors, but it's not in your junk food. So it could be natural.
Take an example of dairy milk we take. You drink milk by
So
itself.
it is a junk food.
Take an example of milk. Will you take milk by itself only? You will make some milk with Horlicks or Boost, which is nothing but junk food, which made our potato birds easily and we can take easily.
Of course,
We have this-
but our ancient times,
So we
our ancestors are living with the natural food only. But about
Can
120
you
years also.
till now like naturals?
Yes, without using junk food, we can also,
Whether it is junk food. What do you mean by really junk food? What do you mean?
which contains more fats.
Which can do more for that?
They can also decrease our lifetime and our
so it
capability.
decreases our immune system. It's completely destroying
So
the
now everyone is decreased to the immune system to 60 years only. But what we taste as food, which are only taste as food.
So you're saying junk food is a taste. Just for a taste, you're eating the junk foods. So it's not the main. It's not meant for our existence.
Definitely, you started the junk food. Without the junk food, a man can live 100 days. But some other factors are also affected to the human's life. What about the factors? Not only the main reason for that, not only the junk food. There will be another results are also affected.
Yeah, we are talking about only junk foods and natural foods.
So I agree with you. I agree with you. We have particular interest on the junk foods. So when we see the junk foods, suddenly we have an ability to create a taste in our. We may develop them. So as per our health, we must concentrate on our health. So we could go on to the natural side.
I can understand that.
Food contains good amount of antioxidants, as you know that. Junk food naturally good food in a particular manner. If we
So it gives fats, it gives calories, it gives some carbohydrates, but it does not give an proper health.
It gives proteins also.
Actually, I give an example for my justification, that is, in our environment, one lesson is there, that is, I really, but I can justify the topic, that is, a man want to live 100 days, then he do daily action and daily maintain his physical and mentally and towards his health and take more care every day. But he finally died at the age of 35. What is the this is also for one example for other affecting cause also.
So that's
We are
separate.
not
We are discussing
talking
about
about
the
that.
junk foods and you're discussing about the junk
You
foods.
talk
and
recently
yeah, sure.
definitely talk about healthy is very important and more care.
Health is very important to everyone.
You will want that is
In the case of food, I'm talking in the case of food.
Only foods.
For existence.
Some cases are this is the modern modern, so we cannot maintain our physical health good.
Okay, you want to go to gym for maintaining physical health.
But not only
Physical
that,
health means by taking some precautionary
Precautionary, that is only we are avoiding we are saying to avoid the junk foods.
you said that natural food are not causes any diseases. That
We did
is,
say that right there.
then it means that one junk food causes diseases means natural food. does
Using
not-
of artificial chemicals causes diseases. In junk foods, they will use so many artificial
But in
chemicals.
junk foods there is
That's why
sodium also they will not cause any disease for us.
Sodium comes from natural.
Sodium for it is used at junk food only. No?
Used in junk food and
Without proper using, anything is going to wrong. According to WHO, most of the people are suffering with obesity and some other diseases
and
due to the eating junk foods only.
also some of the healthy foods.
You said 35 years old man has died. It is his fate, not the food taken by him.
in this
Based on
also
his
you will not
fate.
say about the
We are not talking about fate. We are talking about natural food and junk food.
I can justify my answer with your
Yeah, it is not a proper example.
yeah.
Okay. But this is a water world and some.
I will tell you reason. I have 3 sisters. They are suffering with stomachache at the age of 15 years due to the taking of Pani Puri daily. Can you suggest any of the manner? You are not taking. You said that Pani Puri is more delicious and more calories given. But why they suffer?
Yes, by the time we are saying here as for our junk food, it is taking as cheaper and cheaper again. All the beggars and all the things are preferring more than the natural foods, as the junk food.
It is not belongs to the beggars. It belongs to the world.
As you said that, many of them suffering from obesity, which cause heart attack. There are many of the junk food which helps us to release lesser amount of adaptation. For example, popcorn. Popcorn is an antioxidant. We can use popcorn for our daily snacks in cinema halls and all. We can use popcorn in our snacks also, which helps to minimize the obesity and prevent heart from attack. There are many more things. The chaat, dark chocolate brownies, dark chocolate bars, processed cheese, and dry shot beer and bread white.
Taking these all things, take a banana. This gives more calories than this.
Banana can help heart person to lower calories, lower his
High potassium, calcium and minerals are
can
present in.
Can obesity will be minimized by banana? Can obesity?
But it can increase us somewhat.
No, we're talking about obesity. Obesity. We can minimize
So
obesity
you
by
ask
using
about
popcorn.
banana, it can do anything.